In today's video, we're covering unlimited content ideas, how I get them, what websites I use. So without further ado, we're going to dive right in.
That's a lot of nuts!
Google gives us exactly what people want. We want to make our videos about what people are actually looking for, and Google tells us exactly what they're looking for. This is how we're going to produce content and quality content that's going to feed the YouTube algorithm. So let's go ahead and show you these websites.
Get in my belly!
The first one is Google Trends. What is Google Trends? I could type in anything I want. Let's say it is web design, right? And it's going to give me ideas. What are people looking for? I could break it down to city, state, location, everything. Let's say I wanted it to be in Florida, right? Or in the United States. I could break it down city. I could then break it down to county. Let's go to Syracuse. Then I can even break it down further. What are they exactly looking for? What topics are they looking for, right?
Ooh, that's a bingo.
The next one, I love it. Google autocomplete. I type in whatever phrase, whatever it may be, and Google's going to autocomplete it and tell me what I should be producing content around. In this case, web design example, web design and production, web design elements, web design software, web designer meaning. It goes over and over. Another one I love, answer the public. I can literally enter in any keyword, let's say web design, and it's going to tell me exactly what are questions people are asking when it comes to web design. No matter what it is, what are they looking for? It gives you all the questions, and then I can break it down and export it into Excel. It's free to use. You don't even have to pay for it. You can pay for it for an upgraded version, but it is free.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The next one I love is Tweet Hunter. Tweet Hunter, I log in, connects to my Twitter account. I enter in whatever phrase I want, and it's going to show me the viral content. So I can put in, let's say, web design. And it's going to show me not just content, but content that's already viral, what people are already talking about, because what we want to do is come into the conversation that people are already having. This one, look at this one. For the last couple of days, so many people have joined me. Fired. Tech Twitter has been amazing, supportive, right? You can go on and on. 10 high income skills. And then I take this, it's already got 2,000 hearts, 350 retweets, 358 retweets, and I can share that content, edit it with AI using their tool. It's amazing. I love it. I use it every day.
Never ceases to amaze me.
The next one is Social Animal. You know what content you need to share. It shares the content you need. It gives you the influence or information you need. And then you can amplify it and utilize it for everything you're doing when it comes to producing great content. Another one is SparkToro. SparkToro, I can literally go, whatever topic it may be, they're talking about SEO or whatever, and it will pull up the hashtags, the top words in bios, the top frequently phrased, the #1 social accounts, the #1, if you will, websites people visit. It gives me all the information right there, so I know exactly what type of content I should be producing, what websites, podcasts, everything they look at. SparkToro is amazing. This video was short, and I hope you loved it, and I hope you go out and utilize these websites we've shown you to do research so you can start producing content that people love. See, YouTube's algorithm is based upon not just producing content and throwing up on the wall and like spaghetti just to see whatever sticks. That's one method that a lot of people do. But the best method is, what do people want? What are they already talking about? What's already viral and trending?
Why is Gamora?
And let's produce content based upon that. And you can use these websites to do exactly what we just said, and therefore drive unlimited amounts of traffic to your website with great content that people are going to like, share, and comment on. If you like this video, smash that like button. Until next time, be blessed. Have a great day.
I've
so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. Was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most.